welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanesha. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so today, y'all already know what it is. I told y'all to be expecting it. We have an inventory unboxing video yet again. If you haven't checked out my previous ones, girl, go check them out. So y'all already know we got the eyelash purses launching today. After you watch this video, go support me by copying one of these cute little cases. It'll come with eyelashes and lip gloss. So it's the perfect thing to take to school or work, leave in your car, or if you're going clubbing or something, you can put it in your purse or just leave it in your car. So make sure you guys go support me by getting one of those. I really want to sell out, so help your girl out. So we're gonna first start by unboxing the eyelashes. So I have some of the collection in faux mink eyelashes. So girl, if you want a budget, you know I got you. And then I have the mink eyelashes as well. So today we're gonna be unboxing the mink eyelashes. So I'm gonna show you guys the different styles and stuff. So we have 4 styles to choose from. So on the website, it'll be 3 different styles. It'll be 3 different options altogether. So you can get the faux mink collection, the 3D mink collection with 2 styles, and then another 3D mink collection with another 2 styles. So yeah, the lip gloss will be random, but they're all pretty colors. But I'm just gonna send a lip gloss in there as well. So let's unbox this. Wrap it up really good. And don't mind my nails, y'all. My nails are like coming off, the polishes everywhere. So annoying. Okay, so you get your lashes wholesale from a vendor. They usually come like on in these little boxes. Usually if you pay a little bit more, or it just depends on how much you pay for them, they come with free eyelash boxes. This is only my 2nd time receiving them like this. So mine usually come with like boxes, but I have my own boxes now, so I don't need like the free boxes. So yeah. So I have some eyelash trays right here. And I just asked my vendor to send me some for free, and he did. So you guys just should ask your vendor if you guys need eyelash trays. So okay, so he just gave me these little labels. This is good if you like using like labels like this. You can put these on your trays. This is just like tells you like what the lash style is, or if you have your own like labels with your name on them, you can just make some yourself. I won't be using those, but that's my first time receiving something like that, and yeah, I really like that. So he just labeled them like this. So he labeled it as SA003, SA, I don't even know, 009, and SA, I can't read his handwriting, but he just labeled them like this so I can know what style is what. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these styles now. So let's take it out or whatever. I'm gonna take one of each out just so I won't mix them up, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna mix them up. So that's one. Ooh, those are thick. She's thick. Those are like really, really thick. Those is for my dramatic girls. Ooh, these okay. These might be my favorite, but I never know like how the lash style is gonna look, because I be having favorites and then I be like, wait, that's my favorite. SA05 and SA04. So these ones are kind of similar. I really like these lash styles. I wanted like both of the options. I wanted both of the options to have one like dramatic style and then one like semi-dramatic style. But yeah, so that's what I did. Now this one is very, very dramatic. It's really cute. I love them. And and these are not 25 mm. I would say they're probably 20 mm. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I add them in the eyelash prices too, so keep on watching. So I'm gonna unbox this lip gloss. So we have this color right here. It's like a soft pink. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys close-ups. Then we have like a clear color. It's really cute. It's like a frost clear. And then we have like a baby pink. And then we have another like light pink. This one is like lighter than all of them. And we have a cute little purplish pink. So I'm gonna show you guys how I add the labels on there. Well, I'm gonna put the labels on there in this video. I'm gonna put the eyelashes in the eyelash and lip gloss case with you guys. I wanna show you guys all that. And look, I forgot this one was in here. But I have like a pink one left in there from a different video. But yeah, okay, so let's move over to the counter and we're gonna start putting everything together. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go check out all of my other videos. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do unboxing, I do how to do it yourself, vlog style videos. I do so many different videos, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and comment on your website down below. Yeah. Oh yeah, my eyelashes that I have on my eyes are restocked right now. This is style tees. They're faux mink. Use the code YouTube for a good percentage off. But yeah, okay, enough rambling. Let's go over there and put our collection together. Okay, so I'm gonna just line up the lashes right here by how I want to put them in the boxes, in the lash cases. So I'm just gonna do that right there. I have all of the eyelashes in the trays right here. I actually don't need the trays, so I'm gonna be taking them off the trays as well. So let's do like one style right there. Okay, so we have one style right there. That way I don't get them confused yet. I'm gonna share with you guys the names and stuff that I have for them and all of that. So we have 3 of the rows done. Now I'm gonna put the other ones right here. Okay, so now, girl, we have our lip gloss. So let's just put all the colors out that we have. So as you can see, we have all of our lip gloss and our eyelashes laid out. And now I'm going to put on some gloves and I'm going to start putting the eyelashes in the cases or whatever, and the lip glosses. I have to make lip gloss labels still, but I do have a few that I can use for this video. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I have all of the eyelash cases right there, and now what I want to do is just scoop this up. That way I have some room to put these. Okay, so let's start with this one. So if you guys want, you can check out my other video that I did on unboxing the eyelash cases. Take it out like this and open it up. I'm just going to lay it right here, and then I'm going to gently pull the eyelashes from the middle. I'm going to take this out because this tray thing comes out. So take this out and then just gently put them on here. And it looks cute already. When I plan out launches and stuff, I usually just write everything down in my notes just to keep track of everything that I'm doing. So yeah, make sure you guys are staying organized and doing that. So here is one. Let me put this back on here, and I'm actually going to go grab a lip gloss label. Two. I have a label, and I think I'm going to use it for this cute like little clear frosty color. So if you guys want to know how I make these or just watch me put them on, make sure you guys are checking my channel out because I have 2 videos on lip gloss labels already. So yeah, go check that out. It just looks like this and it looks really cute. It says high gloss. So we got the lip gloss girl, I got y'all, and we have the eyelashes. It comes with a cute little mirror, and yeah, so that's how it looks. Okay, so the moment that we've all been waiting for is finally here. It's been a few hours and I finally put all of the eyelashes in the cases and also the lip glosses. I put a few labels on some of them. Like this one, it has a label, and the pink one, like some of them don't have labels like this one. So I have to put labels on all of the lip glosses tomorrow because I'm running out of time today. But I really love this collection. It turned out so freaking cute. All of the pricing and everything will be on my website. So if you guys would love one of these eyelash cases, lip gloss cases, whatever you want to call it, it'll be on my website at kdkbeauty.com, and you guys can use the discount code YouTube for a good percentage off. So they do come in these cute little boxes that say in my bag collection, and it has my logo and it says 2 eyelashes plus a high gloss, and then it has a logo sticker on the back. Go check out my previous video. I have a link down below if you guys want like an in-depth video of me unboxing this and also adding the labels onto everything. So yeah, these are really, really cute, and I love how everything turned out. I can't wait to wear these styles and take pictures and show you guys. Also the lip glosses, I have all new shades. Those launched today, and I have on a shade right now. I really like this collection. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So let's go ahead and open them all up. Hopefully they don't fall over. So let's go ahead and open them all up so you guys can see. So like I said, there's 2 mink options, and then there's a faux mink option. So of course the faux mink will be a little cheaper than the mink collection. I can't wait to see you guys wearing them. So yeah, make sure you guys are following my Instagram page because I'm gonna have like promo videos and stuff on there. So yeah, so each case comes with a random lip gloss shade that I just put in here. It just looks so cute. I'm also selling them empty, so if you guys just want them empty without the eyelashes and the lip gloss in them, go to my website and get you one as well. I have a few that I'm selling empty. Really cute. Close up. They look so nice, y'all. Like, what girl wouldn't want these? Like, they're so cute. And I have 2 different label options. So this is one. Another style of the lip gloss label. It's hard. So yeah, I really like this. I even add my own little touches. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a like if you like anything that I showed you guys in this video. Make sure you guys go to kdkbeauty.com to purchase one of these. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, make sure you guys go purchase your lash case because they're so cute. I can't wait to wear mine and just, you know, rock it and stuff. So let's be twins and y'all get one too. So right now I'm wearing the, oops, so just fell. I'm wearing this shade or whatever. So if you guys can't purchase a whole lash case, at least go purchase the lip gloss, because those are only $3.95, girl. And yeah, I have foaming eyelashes available. Unfortunately, the lashes that just launched with the cases are only exclusive for the cases. So maybe if you guys like them a lot, I will like add them separately to the website. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Go check out my personal Instagram, my business Instagrams, and everything will be linked down in the description box. Let's reach 10K. Once we reach 10K, I will be having a huge giveaway. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Make sure you guys are commenting your website down below, because y'all know I love to shop with you guys and all of that. So yeah, if you guys found this video interesting or helpful, make sure you guys are leaving a like on my video and also subscribing, share my video, do whatever you can to support. And I'll talk to you guys next time.